Hi, I'm Dominic Roach and I'm the director at Avant Manufacturing. Avant Manufacturing started in 2021 and we're specifically precision engineering for the scientific sectors.
The main reason for investing into automation is to increase our production times and reduce setup times for jobs that are continuous for us throughout the year. So that allows us to set up jobs and keep them set up year-round instead of having to break tools down and rebuild them up as we go. Having the automation allows us to run into the night and keep us productive. Previously, we've had to do one job at a time, whereas now with the EROWA, we are able to set up multiple jobs and have multiple jobs running at the same time in a scheduled format.
I always knew that EROWA was an excellent automation solution, and after a few internet searches, we found that REM was the UK dealer. So after speaking to them, we went down to the showroom in Droitwich to have a look at the Robot Compact 80 they had in the showroom and was really impressed with it. So that's why we looked further into the solution.
The automation has had a huge impact on our productivity. From the first day we received the machine, we were able to load up 20 devices and set the machine running into the night. It then stopped, we come back and loaded the machine up again. So a job that would take us normally 2 weeks to complete took us 2 days with 2 night runs included into that, which has hugely increased our productivity and given us more space to bring on more jobs as we go throughout the week.
The EROWA Compact 80 was the right solution for us as the density of pallets. So in this system we have 30 pallets, which we can have 30 one-off components or 30 all the same. We find a lot of our cycle times, especially on the Brother, are quite short, which meant we needed to find a solution that did have quite a dense number of pallets.
We've noticed a huge measurable increase in productivity, being able to get jobs in that we've previously done on the machine and having it loaded and running within 10 to 15 minutes, opposed to several hours of setup time. We've also noticed a measurable increase in reduced lead times to customers, so our customers are getting parts quicker than what we used to be able to offer, due to the capability of running unmanned hours in the evenings.
Working with a lot of high-end customers, having a really controlled process is massively important to us. So having a JMS software that allows us to schedule pallets in the time when they're required, and also it allows us to identify if there's any broken tools, and which then quarantines any pallet.
Any company that would be interested in looking at automation should definitely explore the EROWA option. It is a fantastic option, especially for us. And I believe there's many other companies out there that would benefit from an automation system like this to increase production to the shop floor and to also increase unmanned hours.